Next up, Boeing. I've actually done this video twice. I accidentally deleted my other one. I'm terrible. I have such horrible sticky fingers. Clumsy as heck. Okay, 244.29 is resistance. Another level of resistance is 248.36, 250.35, 252.43. To the south side, this gap begins at roughly negative 2 SD, 240. Support 237.92, buy-in area as well as this line, and 235.58-ish. Looking left, let's see, that's support and well, we fell through it and then we bounced. This is your clear sell signal that lines up with this RSI being very frothy as well. And now we're just bouncing and grinding along this middle of the trend where price has to slice through to get to the upside or to the downside. And the last one is Nike. Resistance for Nike, 65.49, 66.25, 66.99, the middle of the trend there, 62.45, 61.71, this gap closes out, and 60.90. Looking left, your clear buy signal, clear sell signal, clear sell signal. And the next gap up will take us to roughly 76.03, not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. Just something to be aware of. And by the end of the week, if we continue upward, the middle of the trend could take us to roughly 66.97. And that does it for me. That is a look at my 114th gap and go. And if there is a ticker you'd like me to go over, please let me know. And now I'm going to go enjoy my day, and I'm going to go check on my plants. Have a good one.